Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your MAG 322. This is the W1, but it's all pretty much the same steps. Okay, so if your box has this button on the side, then this method will work for you. If not, check the description. I will have a link to factory reset their other boxes. Okay, before we factory reset this, there's a couple things we need to do. First thing you want to do is let's head over to Settings, System Settings, Servers, Portals. If you have something written down here, write it down, because you're going to have to re-enter it after you factory reset it. Okay, so once you do that, let's exit out of here. Okay, so now we're going to unplug the box. We're going to hold the button down and pay attention to the light in the front. Once it starts flashing rapidly, we're going to release that button. Okay, so unplug, press and hold, listen for that click. Plug it back in. Don't let go of that button. So we're going to watch that little light. Once it flashes like that, release it. We go back to the box. This will take a few seconds because it's going to reload all the information back into the box. There we go. We got the loading symbol now. And there we have it. So now you could go back to Settings, System Settings, Servers, Portals, and now you can enter your portal URL back over here. So guys, that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.